Okay, problem solvers, I hope you're fired up. I hope you're super excited, and I hope you're ready to go. You're just a few simple videos and a few simple clicks of your mouse to unlocking your very own 100% free list building marketing system. So let's get hot. Guys, in this short video, I'm going to show you guys how the big Bennett Ads marketing starter login maximizer strategy works and how you can use it to dominate login ads, okay? And start getting traffic and leads every single day while earning instant and passive residual income at the same time, guys. So what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to walk you guys through the actual process that you came through. And I want you to remember, you can use this strategy for login ads with or without a capture page. But let's go over to the actual capture page and let's talk about exactly how the big Bennett Starter Ads Maximizer, right? This login starter ad maximizer is going to work, guys. Starting with the actual capture page that you now or shortly will have instant access to. So let's click and take a look at your capture page. A lot of you guys actually came through this capture page. It doesn't matter, guys. Either way, the marketing system is absolutely free to market and promote whatever you want. So get super pumped up and super excited as we move through this video. So what we want to do as we move through my starter login ads training, guys, is we want to zig while everybody else is kind of zagging, right? Nobody needs another business opportunity, but everybody who's affiliated with any type of home-based business opportunity, MLM, network marketing, whatever the case may be, wants more traffic and more leads, which is exactly why we're going to dominate login ads, guys, because we're going to we're going to hand our prospects a plethora, a whole resource filled with nothing but traffic and leads. That's the best way I can describe it, guys. So now that you know that you have instant access to the system right now, guys, we're going to jump down to video number 2. And we're going to talk about a product that you can market as we're starting to get out here and jump through this actual automated process that you can actually start building that's built around real substance and value, right? It's a plethora, if you will, of techniques, tactics, strategies, tools, and resources that you can actually start using to actually start building your list as you provide these resources to other people. Now, although this is totally optional, I really strongly, highly recommend you guys watch this video and pick this up, guys, because this is going to be how you're going to start paying yourself, right, to market and advertise and build your business around traffic and lead generation. So I want you guys to stay plugged in. We're going to jump over to your members area and we're going to talk about exactly how that works. Okay, guys, so let's get hot. So in this particular segment of this video, what we're going to do is going to jump right over to the actual members area that you can actually have instant access to for a one-time purchase of just $7.99. Now, when you click the button, guys, of course, it's going to roll you right over to my payment processor. You can also pay me through Cash App. It depends on whose page this is, guys. So just know that when you click the button, you're going to go through the person that brought you to this page's actual payment processor or Cash App or Venmo or however they choose to get paid. And you can do the same thing when we show you how to hook this all up. But I'm going to take you guys inside of the members area that you can purchase for $7.99. That actual product becomes your product and you will plug it into this button right here as your product, redirecting to the preferred payment processor. Let's click and take a tour of your actual members area, guys. This is where the magic happens, right? This is where I'm going to not only unlock the big Bennett Ads marketing strategy, right? That strategy that we're talking about, where I'm going to actually show you guys how to start placing banner ads. Yeah, banner ads, guys, for just pennies on the dollar. Well, I'm going to show you guys how to start placing them. And after you start placing them, I'm going to show you guys how to get traffic and leads, placing them every single day. I'm going to give you guys the resources. I'm going to give you guys free banners. I'm going to give you guys everything that it is you need to wage a successful automated list building marketing campaign. And over here on the left, guys, when we talk about the Starter Login Ads Maximizer, right, you're going to see there's going to be a series of actual resources, and I'm adding them all the time, that you actually can click right into and start placing those Starter Login Ads using this exact same system. Make sure when you purchase your product package, guys, and you're inside of your membership, that you go through each and every single one of these videos. Make sure that you go through all the tabs on the left, because now, guys, you're in a place and you're in a space where you can do whatever it is you want to include branding this entire system to yourself if that's your desire. And let's get hot and get on to the next video and get you set up.